What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Havoc Garage video. We got this Miata bumper or a half of a Miata bumper and a half of a WRX bumper. This is Hakuna Matata Miata, known as Luke. What's up, Luke?
What's up?
He will be in the videos every once in a while, occasionally. He's a part of Havoc Garage now.
He's part of the Havoc family where we destroy things.
The family.
But anyways, we're going to be molding this thing back together, repairing it, trying to. But that's what this video will be about. Putting this thing back together, getting it painted. Yeah, we got a lot of work to do. But without further ado, let's get on with this video.
Alright, we got Mark over here taking off these side skirts. Or canards, whatever.
Canards.
Breaks them.
They snap in half. Alright, Luke, what are you doing right now?
I'm taking off Bondo, or at least attempting. Golly.
Get in there, my boy.
Bro, it ain't coming off. Mark, what did you do? Oh,
Bro,
there. Oh, shit.
We got a lot to take off, and
Bro, you ain't got, like, tools?
we're struggling right now.
The best you can give me is a screwdriver?
Yeah, bro.
Let me see.
Oh! Nasty.
Oh, I hear something. Ooh. Ow, hit me in the face.
Oh, God. Ah, my knuckle, bro.
Oh. I don't want to mess up the bumper, bro.
Hey, don't mess up the bumper. It's already fucked.
Bro, that was a joke, obviously.
Yeah, we'll be back whenever these bozos are done chipping away.
Fuck. Yeah.
Luke, do you know what we're doing right now?
Not really. I'm just kind of doing what I'm told.
Alright, so.
Oh, what I know is that they're sanding it down. That's all I know. I don't know for what reason. Hey, yo. We're good.
Dang, I don't have any.
Don't tell me I got no...
Well, I got this. We can just cut this up and stick it on.
I don't know how to turn this off.
You don't. That's the thing. You just turn it on and go.
The switch was not working or something?
I'm gonna go for a ride. You ready?
That'd been pretty cool if you just started spinning, bro. That'd been so dope.
You ready?
Go. Let's see. Oh, boy.
It ain't got no paper.
Yeah, I see that. Mark, what are you currently doing to this bumper?
We're putting the orbital on it so that way we can get all the jagged edges pretty smooth. And then we're going to start doing some body filling on the little seam that the Miata bumper has that we just took the hammer and screwdriver to. Yeah, that's exactly what I was going to do. And
I've done this before, bro.
Are you a doctor?
Yes.
No, you should retire.
I'll do your vasectomy.
What the hell did he say? Come on, dude. The viewers want to see you get to work.
I'm trying. Look, I'm a lazy dude. I don't work.
As he's in his work attire.
oh, dude, the Harbor Freight grinder.
Not the Harbor Freight, dude.
We encourage you to wear masks while doing this. We're not doing that right now. We're not. Yeah. It's okay though. To avoid COVID, this is a good way to do it. Is just absorb dust.
Bad things.
A lot of bad things. A lot of bad things.
Your immune system gets better when you absorb bad things.
If you make it. If you don't make it, well then you just weren't cut out.
Jesus Christ! What is it? Cut it! We gotta go.
Did you video that?
No. What happened?
Well, you see, Mark bought the cheapest shit he could buy, and it don't want to stick.
What a bozo!
What a bozo!
Hey, you're doing pretty good.
Yeah. I've only got like 7 more hours of work to go.
Hey, bro, look at me real quick.
Hold on, wait, I got you.
Hey, yo. Man was sanding for like not even probably
30
like,
seconds?
Yeah, 30 seconds, and already got drenched in sand or in clear coat, whatever that
It's
is.
kind of kinky.
So now we got to put this back on there because
It's not gonna stay because Mark bought some cheap shit.
nah, bro, you're good. Jeez, it's gonna stick now. All right, let's get back to work. What's wrong, dude?
What is this?
You want to go buy some, bro?
No. I want you to do it right the first time. It's alright, we'll send it.
Go to Hard Freight and get some.
We need the self-tappers.
Oh, no, that's backwards.
I don't know exactly what Luke is doing right now. He's making some type of double stack splitter or carbon.
Too soon.
Hey, bro.
Where did my
Thingy-majiggers go.
Oh, yeah. There's a.
This bozo ass.
Yeah, we got this bumper.
Around right.
I'm grinding off all of this panel bond. Got some to grind off. It's taking a while.
You said
But
grinder?
It'll get there. Not with that thing. With this thing right here. I don't know what this is called, but this is taking it off.
Don't ask me many questions.
What's going on? What did you just do?
I got bored and I took my old splitter that I had a long time ago and I cut it up and made kind of like a two-piece splitter. Put this underneath what I already had, which is these canards that I made for the side. And now I just kind of took the excess of the last splitter and made a two-piece.
Yeah, we still got a lot of work to do. A lot of sanding, a lot of fiberglass and panel bonding.
Yeah. Hey, that was pretty good though. That was like that was horrible. I got a lot. No, you are, bro.
No,
You're not
just
supposed
right
to
here.
spill anything. That's the point.
Okay.
This man said I did pretty good. What is he doing? This man said I did pretty good.
I did good again. It's just a lot.
you
We're
didn't.
good. My mouth ain't big enough to hold it.
No, the thing is you gotta hit it like in the back of your throat.
Yeah, well, I can't just wide throat it the whole fucking time.
But as I can tell, the bumper is put back together. Got it all panel bonded. Now it's got a silver night, so I can dry, cure, and then we can fill in the holes.
Keep saying that.
Your AIDS
This
is
is Donnie,
intermission.
by the way.
Yeah. Yeah, he's more of just like a nuisance right now.
A nuisance?
Cancerous. I'm gonna put this back on so it holds it.
You're gonna take off that tip?
Hey, shut the. Yeah.
Or you gonna panel bond that?
Take off what tip?
Like, you gonna panel bond this or what? Oh no, you're fiberglass.
No, we're fiberglassing it, but I'm putting this back on.
Hey yo! Hey yo! Yo! Hey yo! You're gay! You're gay!
So it's now day 2. Last night we had the 2 bumpers pieced together with the panel bond. Now we are filling in the seam with Bondo, or body filler I should say. Looking at are eating nerds, and I'm over here working by myself. By myself. Just kidding. And yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing. I'm doing it by myself because this guy over here.
Pretty sure that's a one-man job.
I'm just kidding. They're helping. I'm just doing this by myself because I choose to, and I don't want them to mess it up because they'll mess up everything and we'll have to redo it. So here's a bumper. It's all bonded in. Some little finishing touches to do. Some edging to do, and then we can fill in this piece right here that is broken. Fill in that. Honestly, there's a lot more to fill in. Having a little pizza break right now.
Yep. We got this pizza like
Yeah.
10 minutes ago.
For
and
real.
this is how it looks.
Got the cookie pizza. Right. Smacks, for real. Good choice. Thank you, Luke.
Thank you, Luke.
So we're back with a little update. I haven't given an update in a while because I've just been really busy with this. And but yeah, I got the fiberglass on here. did both the back side and the front side. Filled it in with some body filler in between to help strengthen it up. But we got this pretty much sanded down pretty well. Still got to touch up some areas like this. Wait till tomorrow for that, and then we'll sand that down and just continue touching up some little parts. Like we're gonna fill this in. We're gonna I don't know why this came up, but there's like these little holes that we gotta touch up on, and then we can primer it to see what it's gonna look like when we sand it, and then we're gonna guide coat it, 180 it, primer it again, and then we'll wet sand, and then we'll paint it. Luke's over there on his phone. Tomorrow, hopefully, we'll be laying some primer down, and yeah, see you guys then. So today is like day 3 or 4 of this bumper project. Things are going really good. Got a little bit more sanding to do. I just filled in this little hairline crack. There was a hairline crack right here. Filled that in, about to sand it right now. And then there was a little divot in this bumper here. Filled that in, about to sand it. And then right here, had to redo the fiberglass because the resin wasn't sticking good enough. So had to redo it, but now it's hard. It'll be cured by tomorrow. Hopefully, I'm gonna prime everywhere around the fiberglass, just to be safe. And yeah, we're on a little bit of a crunch right now, but I think we'll make it before tomorrow. I have a little bit of time tomorrow before I have to start painting. But yeah, we'll be painting this at my old high school, the paint and body class. The teacher is letting us use the paint booth. It's super nice. I don't think y'all have seen it yet. Y'all might have seen it on like my Snapchat or my Instagram or whatever. But it's super nice. And yeah, let me get to some sanding, and then I'll catch y'all back whenever I start priming.
I bet.
Got Daniel behind the camera now.
My boy Didi, what's up with it?
We got Didi here. Now about to start spraying some primer finally. Then yeah, we can take it to the shop, start painting, and hopefully finish this today, because this needs to be done.
It needs to be done.
Need to get this out of here.
So like sanding and all that stuff, Mark, you already got it down or what?
It's all prepped, it's all clean. I used that wax and degreaser. It's ready to go.
My boy got in every crevice and everything. Alright, yes sir. Finally got the gun situated. My boy Mark can't talk right now because he's in a coma. But dang.
Alright, so we were at the shop. We're waiting for Luke to come. Luke, would you like to explain what happened?
So I went and picked up my new wheels.
Yes, sir. We'll show them.
And tires. And so this is the tow pig right now. But yeah, I forgot we had to match the paint to the car.
So yeah, so now we're going 30 minutes
to get the car.
To get the Miata. Alright, so we're about to see the Miata, or I am for the first time. Oh, hell yeah. That hood does look clean, honestly. I fuck with it.
I fuck with it too.
Looking good.
Pull the box down.
There you go. So that's gonna go on these. These are 15 by 9s. These are 16s?
16 by 10s. Here, look.
Alright, so now we're gonna head back to the shop where we're gonna paint the bumper. Alright, so we're back. We brought the Miata and we're gonna be ready to paint the front bumper. Boy, Daniel, look what you be leaving. Alright. Alright, bro. Say bye-bye. Toodles. Hey, yo! What a cup.
Nice.
I don't know if we've showed this off before in previous videos, but yeah. This is our old high school. And, yep. So there's the bumper. Alright, so it looks like we have a little bit of change of plans. We got Luke. We're actually going to be painting his bumper as well, because the previous guy who painted his bumper, or hood, my bad.
They did it at Toyota, and like they're a body shop, they're good and all, but like he didn't have the car to match it, so
the paint doesn't really match. There's a little bit of a different tone in it, and so now we're gonna take it off, and he's
not a different tone. It's a different red.
A whole different red, I guess.
I don't know if it'll show up on camera.
Probably, we'll see. Definitely tell. Come look at it. We're gonna try to get this all sanded and prepped ready for paint as well, so we can hopefully fix this. Yeah, so we're gonna get this off. I don't know how it's gonna sound in here because everything's going on, but we got the the hood ready, the bumper's ready. He's gonna prime that.
It's warm.
It's toasty. This is badass. Shout out to the Wildcats. Well, the GoPro died, so Mark's gonna get ready to. What are you about to do?
We're doing a wax on, wax off.
Wax on, wax on.
This is wax and degreaser, which you use to clean before you paint. So I'm gonna wax on, you're gonna wax off. Follow me.
Do I start waxing off now?
Yeah, you start waxing off.
The audio might not.
Oh, this.
Yo.
Wax off, wax off.
So you're gonna primer this, right, first?
I'm gonna seal it. We're done with the primer.
Seal it.
Epoxy primer.
Okay.
Basically a thin primer.
And then
Cut my hand.
once this is done sealed, he's gonna paint both of these at the same time. Oh. So we'll go into all the cinematics of him painting and sealing and all that. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. All right, so we got Mark suiting up real quick.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Just 1 week ago, we, you, the city, and all the communities around it were shaken by a truly powerful force.
Here's the car. It looks beautiful. I got some blending to do on the fenders and everywhere like around it to make it look, you know, really good. We're here at my old high school. That is where we painted it at the paint and body shop class. So thank you very much to the body shop teacher here. Appreciate it so much. And right now we're going to install the wheels, and yeah, we'll get some rollers and then we'll end the video.
We hope for good news,
I'm still not entirely sure of the extent of this.
but the news only got worse.